Well, upon inspection, I don't find these covers to be quite what I want them to be. So I think it's probably going to be a good idea just to polish them a little bit with Force Meg and aluminum polish and wash them. So I'm going to take care and come in top and bottom. Top and bottom here. I can use paper towel here for this, it'll do. And just come here. That's what this stuff's made for. Real quick, real easy wash up here. Just trying to bring them back to their luster when they were new. Get some little vestiges of, I don't know what kind of mouth goop was on there. Well, I did buy a used harp after all. I didn't pay much for it. That's what I'm getting. All's fair in the world of buying used harmonicas. I wanted an old one because I think they sound better. How about that? So I'm coming here. This is the part right here I don't like the looks of. Okay, now these guys are ready for wash down. Okay. I'm going to come here, toothbrush, oh yes, now I'm starting to see the little shine that I was hoping to have. Much nicer. This is the way they were meant to look. Perfect. This was a very good condition used harp with a brand new comb in it. So it's not like it was a whipped instrument or unsanitary, which was really my real concern, honestly. Come here. Now, when you wash something off or rinse it after you've cleaned it with the materials I'm using, these polishes and detergents and such, you really want to take your time to make sure that all the vestige is off your gloves and the covers themselves. But when I dry this, I think you're going to say, wowie. If you want to know if there's still stink on there, smell it. Alright, good enough. Come here. Grab this, wipe it to here. Now, that's the way they're supposed to look. See? Nice and shiny, just like new. Here's this. Nice and shiny. That's the way I want it to look. The way it did when it was new. Okay? Downstairs to use my bench grinder to grind that small amount of rust off those screws. I'm going to take it easy. I'm not going to let it have it hard. Very gentle.